Aaron, are you ready for the Veteran Crowd lightning round?
Yes.
Okay, first question. If you had to do it over again and pick a different branch of the military and a different MOS, what would it be?
Marine pilot.
Marine pilot. Okay, great answer. Question number 2. What do you think was the greatest life lesson that you learned from your time in the military?
Selfless service.
Selfless service. Great answer. And the third and final question is, what is a little known fact about Aaron Hale that most people don't know? This is the trivia question.
Yeah, well, there's something that many people in my hometown know. In fact, few outside my hometown know, but no matter what my exploits throughout my life are, I'm pretty much known as the guy who filled all the vending machines with beer in my high school.
Oh my goodness. You were famous at your high school.
No matter what I do the rest of my life, when I go home, I'm that guy.
That is a great answer. Okay, thank you for participating in the lightning round on the Veteran Crowd Network.